Hey there, it's me again. Last time this week that you get to see me. Yay! You have almost made it through your first week of 7th grade. So, today we're going to do work in your books. Okay, we are looking at lesson 1-1, so chapter 1, lesson 1. It starts on page 2. Go ahead and open to that page. Pause the video if you need to while you get your books out. Okay. We are starting, and this unit is all about rational numbers and exponents. That means that we're going to be looking at numbers in a very different way. Our numbers are going to look different, and we're going to be doing different things with them. So because we're going to be looking at things in a different way, we need to figure out, and we're going to need to do a lot of problem solving. Problem solving can be difficult because, especially when things generally come easy to us, because it's something that we haven't had to do before. So if you look at page 2, it says the 4-step plan. It says we need to understand, plan, solve, and check. When we understand the problem, I mean that's one of the biggest difficulties in this is understanding what the problem is actually asking of us. Because you can give us good information, but it might not be answering what the problem is asking, and that's a problem. So you need to figure out what you know, what are you trying to find out. Then you plan. A lot of times the planning goes on in your head. That's just how you think critically. You're rereading and looking for important facts. You're figuring out how those facts relate to one another. You're figuring out what you already know to help you answer that problem. Then you're going to solve. So you're going to take what your brain came up with and actually do it. Then you're going to check. Does that answer make sense? Okay. I like to use something called the common sense check. Does that answer make sense in the context of the problem? If the answer is yes, chances are you're good. If the answer is no, you might want to double check because it's more likely that we made a mistake in understanding the problem than we did in solving it, okay? There are 2 examples that you can look through. Today I'm going to keep the video pretty short because of what the lesson is. I want you to read through example 1, example 2. Then you're with partners. So I'm going to let you work in partners today. For the remainder of class, you're going to work through the problems on page 4 and 5 on one piece of paper. Your name, your partner's name on the piece of paper. You're going to get through as many problems as you can within these 2 pages. At the end of class, it gets turned in. Both partners get 1 grade. Okay. All right. So you both have to agree on what's being put on the paper. My recommendation for this assignment, look at who has the handwriting that is easiest to read. That person writes this time. The next time you work in partners like this, the other person will write. If you both have handwriting that I can easily read, just take turns. Okay, one person do even numbers, the other person do odd. However you want to figure it out is fine, but you're going to get through as many problems as you can on pages 4 and 5 with the time that you have left. One piece of paper gets turned in with all of your work. All right, get to it. And have a fantastic weekend because you have survived your first week of middle school. Congratulations.